हाय डिअर स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम बॅक. या व्हिडिओमध्ये पण आपण कशा पद्धतीनं ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स जे कंपाऊंड अँगल्स आहेत, फॅक्टरायझेशन डिफॅक्टरायझेशन आहेत, या गोष्टी आपण कशा पद्धतीने यूज करायच्या ते बघणार आहोत. लास्ट टाइम आपण बेसिक फॉर्म्युलेज बघितले कशा पद्धतीने यूज करायचे. आता यामध्ये तुम्हाला आय थिंक मी ॲक्टिव्हिटीज दिले होते, 7-8 ॲक्टिव्हिटीज दिल्या होत्या. त्याच्यानंतर काही प्रूफ पण दिले होते. मग तसे प्रूफ्स काही असतात आणि हाऊ टू यूज दॅट फॅक्टरायझेशन डिफॅक्टरायझेशन फॉर्म्युलेज अँड कंपाऊंड अँगल्स नाउ वी हॅव टू सी हियर. ओके, तर घाबरू नका. ॲक्युप्रेशरचं ट्रीटमेंट आहे ही, त्यामुळे हे तुम्हाला हाताला दिसतं सगळं. हां सगळ्यांना वाटेल की सरांना काय झालं आहे, तर नाही. ॲक्युप्रेशरचे ट्रीटमेंटमुळं हे इथं सगळे मॅग्नेट्स आहेत. ओके, तर बघूयात आपण कशा पद्धतीने हे सॉल्व्ह करायचं. टू द फॉलोविंग असं क्वेश्चन आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट वन आहे कॉस ऑफ π/6 प्लस ए, कॉस ऑफ π/6 प्लस ए इंटू कॉस ऑफ π/6 प्लस बी प्लस साइन ऑफ π/6 प्लस ए. मी हे असंच लिहिता लिहिता सांगितलं होतं की हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट, हाऊ टू प्रूव्ह दॅट कॉस ऑफ ए मायनस बी. आज मी कम्प्लिटली तुम्हाला सांगतो एक्झॅक्टली कसं करायचं हे, त्यामुळे तुम्हाला बरं पडेल. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं आहे. सी, कन्सिडर हियर π/6 plus a is equal to x and π/6 plus b is equal to y. Therefore, this will be LHS is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. We know that cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is nothing but cos of a minus b, means chi analytic x minus y. But we know that here cos of x is nothing but cos of x is equal to π/6 plus a minus y. y काय आहे π/6 plus b. Bracket complete here. Cos of π/6 plus a minus π/6 minus b sorry, plus π/6 minus π/6 get cancelled here. Cos of a minus b. We use here compound angles of cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And by using that formula we can have the exact RHS, which is cos a minus b. Okay, the next one, sin of π/3 plus a second one, sin of π/3 plus a plus cos of π/6 plus a plus cos of π/6 plus a, which is equal to √3 cos a. √3 cos a. Now here, see what will happen to this. LHS is equal to sin of π/3 plus a plus cos of π/6 plus a. Sin of a plus b is nothing but sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, sin of a cos b plus cos a sin b plus here cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos a cos b minus sin a into sin b. Now here cos π/3, that is sin π/3, sin 60 is equal to √3/2, correct? into cos A plus cos pi by 3 is equal to cos 60 half into sin A plus cos pi by 6 root 3 by 2 means cos 30 pi by 6 180 by 6 that is 30 cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 into cos A minus sin pi by 6 half sin A plus half sin A minus half sin A get cancelled 2 times of root 3 by 2 cos A root 3 by 2 cos A. How many times is this? 2 times of root 3 by 2 into cos of A. 2 get cancelled here. Root 3 into cos of A. Root 3 cos A is the RHS. समझना ये तो खूब important है. That's why you have to write down here sin of pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2 comma cos pi by 3 is equal to cos 60 times half then cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sin pi by 6 is equal to half and then you have to use these values in this. After using this both will get cancelled and 2 times of this root 3 by 2 cos A remains as it is. Then 2 by 2 get cancelled. Root 3 cos A is the remaining. That is the RHS here. Root 3 cos A. समझते हैं how to use this type of compound angles. क्लियर है ना? तर अशा पद्धतीने हे सिंपल थिंग असते म्हणजे टेबल्स पण याच्यामध्ये यूज केले गेले म्हणजे स्टँडर्ड अँगल्सचे व्हॅल्यूज इथं सबस्टिट्यूट केले त्याने देन प्रूव्ह इट. नाव cos of 63 degree minus A cos of 63 degree minus A cos of 27 degree plus B minus sin of 63 degree minus A 63 degree minus A into sin of 27 degree plus A which is equal to sin A minus B. Sin of A minus B. Now let 63 minus A is equal to x and 27 degree plus B. Something is going on wrong, otherwise I have written here wrong thing. B, correct. 27 degree plus B is equal to y. Now LHS is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Same, but here minus is there, therefore cos of x plus y. We know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is nothing but cos A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is nothing but cos A plus B. Now here cos x plus y, cos of x 63 degree minus A plus 27 degree plus B. Now cos of 63 degree minus A plus 27 degree plus B. Cos of 63 plus 7 70 70 plus 20 90 90 degree minus in bracket A plus B minus in bracket A minus B, sorry, A minus. We know that cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. Therefore, sin of A minus B is your answer, which is equal to RHS. Sin A minus B. How? we know that here cos of 90 minus theta, which is equal to sin theta, and this theta is nothing but here a minus b. Cos of 90 minus theta sin theta, that is sin a minus b. इकडे बघितलं तर हा जे ॲडिशन होते 63 प्लस 27 तो 90 येतो. सॉरी माइनस a प्लस b आहे, माइनस टेकिंग आउट कॉमन हियर, then minus a become plus a and plus b become minus, means minus sign is taking outside, that's why this will be a minus b. This is your proof. Next, sin 2a upon sin a minus cos 2a upon cos a is equal to sec a, is equal to sec a. Here LHS is equal to sin 2a upon sin a minus cos 2a upon cos a, 2 times of sin a cos a upon sin a minus here 2 cos square a minus 1 upon cos a. Here we can write down sin cancel, 2 cos a minus 2 cos square a upon cos a. Minus minus getting plus 1 upon cos a. Now cos a cancel, 2 times cos a minus 2 times cos a plus 1 upon cos a, which is equal to 2 cos a minus 2 cos a cancel, 0 plus 1 upon cos a, that is equal to sec a, which is equal to your sec a, which is equal to RHS. See, sin 2a upon sin a, 2 sin a cos a upon sin a minus 2 cos square a minus 1 in the form of cos we have taken here. Actually 1 minus 2 sin square a upon theta answer आहे, but here this will be remains 2 cos a, that's why you have to use here 2 cos square a. By practicing you can think about that कि बाबा हाँ you can take this one 2 cos square a minus 1, not 1 minus 2 sin square a, or cos square a minus sin square a is also there, but you have to take like this here, that means sec a. Got it? Formulas are there. Compound, double angle, formulas are there. Therefore, fifth one, sin 2a upon completed. Show that sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y upon sin of x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y upon tan x minus tan y. By solving LHS, we can have the RHS here. Now see this as LHS. LHS is equal to sin of x plus y upon sin x minus y. This is nothing but we have to use here the compound angles again. Sin a plus b is nothing but sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Then this will be sin x cos y plus cos x sin y whole divided by sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. If we want here tan x plus tan y, tan x minus tan y, then we have to adjust here dividing out by with sin x cos y. Okay. Dividing out by cos x cos y, we have here sin x cos y upon cos x cos y minus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y. मग मी हे कसं काय डिवाइड केलं cos x cos y ने? See, what is the answer here? Tan x plus tan y. We want here first term, that is tan x. By dividing sin x by cos x, we can have tan x, but we have to remove that cos y. By removing this, by dividing the cos y, we can have 1. That's why we have to divide it by cos y. That means sin x upon cos y means sin x cos y. Here for tan x we have to divide it by cos x, and we have to make it 1, so we have to divide it by cos y. That means here dividing out by cos x cos y to the whole numerator and denominator, we have here sin x cos y upon cos x cos y, cos x sin y upon cos x cos y, sin x cos y upon cos x cos y minus cos x sin y upon cos x cos y. Similarly, we can remove these both cos x cos x, here cos y cos x cos x. Then this will be sin x upon cos x is nothing but tan x, plus sin y upon cos y is nothing but tan y. Similarly, in the denominator, tan x minus tan y, and this is your RHS. This is your proof again. Okay. Next, prove the following. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Here LHS is equal to sin a plus b into sin of a minus b. Again we have to use the formulas for sin a and sin a minus b. Sin a plus b is nothing but sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, here into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here both considering this is x, this is y, x plus y. Here considering x because sin a cos b and minus y, then x plus y, x minus y is nothing but x square minus y square, and here we can have sin a cos b minus sin a cos b whole bracket square minus cos a sin b whole bracket square. Now sin square a cos square b minus cos square a sin square b. Now sin square a minus, this is nothing but sin square A into 1 minus sin square B minus cos square A is nothing but 1 minus sin square A into sin square B. Sin square A into 1, that is sin square A, minus sin square A sin square B, minus 1 into sin square B, that is minus sin square B, minus into minus, that is plus sin square into sin square B. See what will happen to this, minus sin square A sin square B, and here sin square A plus sin square A sin square B. This will be 0. Why? Because both are same but their signs are opposite. That's why this both will be cancelled. Now what is remaining here? Sin square A minus sin square B, which is our RHS. See, sin square A minus sin square B. This is the RHS. What is LHS? Sin A plus B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. You can use it for competitive examinations because this is a nice property. This is a formula, basic formula. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Okay. Here see, we want here sin square A and sin square B. That's why आपण याला हात सुद्धा लावलेला नाही, sin square A sin square B. Keeping as it is this sin square A and sin square B, we change this cos square B and cos square A only. Why? Cos square B is nothing but 1 minus sin square B and cos square A is nothing but 1 minus sin square A, which are converted in the form of only sin here. That's why we have to convert that cos and cos square B and cos square A. Why? Because we know the answer is in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. Okay. Now see the cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Is equal to here cos square A minus sin square B. LHS is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Cos of A plus B, that is cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. Yeah? And second one here cos of A cos B plus sin A sin B. Again this is in the form of x plus y and x minus y, that is x square minus y square. Therefore we have this first term and this is second term. Cos A cos B whole bracket square minus sin A sin B whole bracket square. And this will be here cos square A into cos square B minus sin square A into sin square B. What we have to keep as it is here cos square A and here sin square B, and convert this both. Cos square A into in bracket 1 minus sin square B minus, keeping as sin square A as it is, we have to change sin square B, and this is nothing but 1 minus cos square B. Then multiply that cos square A with this bracket and sin square A with this bracket. We have here cos square A minus cos square A sin square B minus sin square A into 1, that is sin square A, minus minus getting plus here sin square A cos square B, that is cos square B into sin square A. Now we want here cos square A minus sin square B. Keeping this sin square B, we have to change sin square A, but here I change the sin square B here. keeping this sin square b, we have to change this one, cos square a into sin square b, and this will be minus sin square b, minus minus getting plus cos square a sin square b. This minus cos square a sin square b and this plus cos square a sin square b both get cancelled. Remaining cos square a and minus sin square b, and this is nothing but your RHS. This is your final proof. Hence proved. असं म्हणतो आपण. बरोबर आहे का? समझ में आ रहा है सब आपको? Then cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Last कुठला होता? Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. What will happen? Sin square a minus sin square b was there. Next. Important example. Tan of 3x. Show that tan 3x, tan 2x plus tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. If here tan 5x, then tan 3x, tan 2x, which is equal to tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x. Similarly, we can have this one. आपल्याला माहित असलं पाहिजे. What we have to know here, tan 3x we can write in the form of tan of 2x plus x, na? We can write this 3x in the form of tan 2x plus x. Now see what will happen to this. Tan a plus b is nothing but tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now see, this is nothing but tan 3x. You have to cross multiply this, both tan 3x in bracket 1 minus tan 2x into tan x, bracket complete, which is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. Now see, multiplying this tan 3x to this whole bracket, we have tan 3x into 1, that is tan 3x minus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x, which is equal to tan 2x plus tan x. This is minus. Transfer this tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is equal to tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. And the final answer is tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. And this is your proof for the given. This is very much important. This is your proof. Tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. I have given this. Okay, clear झालं आहे. tan a plus b चा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा. That's all. त्याच्यामध्ये एक हिंट आहे, जो कोणी मोठा आहे या दोघांच्या ॲडिशन मध्ये येतो बघायचा. सिमिलरली मी तुम्हाला आत्ताच म्हटलं की tan 5x plus tan 5x into tan 3x into tan 2x, which we can write down here tan of 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x. Similarly, you have to write down here tan of 5x is equal to tan 3x plus 2x. That's all. तुम्ही मग सॉल्व करा. You can have the proof. Okay. तुम्ही ट्राय करू शकता tan 5x चा, tan 3x आणि tan 2x. आन्सर तुम्हाला हेच मिळेल. ओके, फक्त आकडे चेंज करावे लागतील एवढंच. 3x च्या ठिकाणी 5x, 2x च्या ठिकाणी 3x आणि x च्या ठिकाणी 2x. 5x, 3x, 2x. Last, tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. Here LHS is equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta is nothing but tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Here tan pi by 4, that is tan 45 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus 1 into tan theta. Why? Because tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Tan pi by 4 is nothing but 45, no? Tan 45 is equal to 1. That is 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. This is your RHS. Final. Clear? अशा पद्धतीनं तुम्हाला बरेच एक्झाम्पल्स असे सॉल्व करायचे आहेत जे की सिंपल आहेत. या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला ॲक्टिव्हिटीज दिली, ॲक्टिव्हिटीज पण तुम्ही कंप्लीट करा. त्यानंतर आपण बघत राहू सिक्वेन्स सिरीजमधले एक्झाम्पल्स कशा पद्धतीने त्याचे TN फॉर्म करायचा आहे, तुम्हाला कुठले टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत, तसंच GP आहे त्याच्यामध्ये टर्म्स कुठले फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत, हे सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला समजून जातील. ठीक आहे. Thank you very much.